Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken curry the easy way. First, ensure you have about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken, cut into 1-inch pieces. You'll also need 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of ginger, all finely chopped. Have a can of coconut milk and 2 tablespoons of your favorite curry powder ready. This method focuses on speed without sacrificing flavor, perfect for busy weeknights. To begin, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add your chopped onion, garlic, and ginger, cooking them for about 2 minutes until they become fragrant. Next, add the 1.5 pounds of chicken pieces to the pan. Brown the chicken on all sides for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of curry powder, cooking for 1 minute to toast the spices. Now pour in 1/13 5-ounce can of full-fat coconut milk. Stir everything together well, ensuring the chicken is coated. Bring the curry to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pan and let it cook for about 15 minutes, or until the chicken is thoroughly cooked and tender. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. Once your curry is ready, remove it from the heat. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro for a burst of color and flavor. Serve this delicious, easy chicken curry hot with fluffy basmati rice or warm naan bread. It's a perfect meal that comes together quickly, offering rich, comforting flavors. For more kitchen hacks and to make meal prep easy, check the description for a link to leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade curry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.